everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day and a great weekend. Well, this is part 2 of my review for One Day Saving Store. So let's get to it. I am kind of upset. This is supposed to be a magnetic frame. Let me take it out of the plastic here before I start yapping. Yeah, let me pull you up so you can get the whole picture up here. Hang on. We're getting there. There we go. Yeah, it's all dented up. And I will let them know that when I got it, it's just totally messed up. These are not very expensive. They're like $5. And it has, well, this is attractive. Yeah, this for me is pretty useless. It's supposed to come apart, but it's stuck and it's absolutely ruined. Yeah. So I wouldn't be buying any more of these. You're supposed to put the diamond painting in here and flatten it out, and they should figure out a different way to ship this because I can't use this at all. Not at all. Now maybe that was supposed to stay stuck together, but despite that fact, you know, like just lift it up, put it in there, and put it back together. Look how wrinkled it is. I would no more put a diamond painting in that to save my soul. So we're throwing that away. That's the worst product that I've ever gotten from one of these stores. So pretty upset. And I don't have any, I think it would fit like a 30 by 40. It comes in 10 different colors. Very enticing. I'm sorry. I wouldn't waste my $5 on it. So that's the first product from them. Let's see what else we got. So we did get a pre-stamped cross stitch. And it's a coffee grinder and a Cardinal. It's $6.84. I just like the picture. I thought it was beautiful. It does have a product number. As you know, some of the DIY cross-stitch kits have a product number there. Some don't. So, I don't know what the deal is with that. But, yeah. Alright, let's get it out of the bag. So isn't that pretty? I just thought it looked kind of Christmassy-ish, you know, with the poinsettia. And nothing else kind of screams Christmas. It does have Cardinal. I do like that. And it is an 11 count. So for $6.82, it wasn't too bad. And it's a partial. Let's see where our pattern is. They always come with a nice pattern. This one will definitely have to be blown up. It's too small. It's 25, has 25 colors. All of this matches your canvas, so that's very nice, but you would have to blow it up because I can't hardly see any of the symbols here, but that's just my eyesight. It does have the product number. It's a 40 by 40. And it is 129 by 129, so it's not very big. And it's not a partial. It does have the background color in. If you want to leave it out, walk away. Just walk away from it and don't do the background, because I think it looks great on just a white background. So I really thought it was going to be a partial. But that is 3865, which you know is a shade of white. Because some of the 3865, it's right here, looks kind of a blue tint. Just barely blue tint. But yeah, so there's all of that. Yeah. And it does come with 2 needles that are trying desperately to escape over here. So we'll just tuck them puppies right back in and take a look at the colors. So it comes with a full hank, if I can get a hold of it. Let's kind of give it a shake. So you have plenty of off-white, or yeah, it's not white, it's off-white. It's not B5200. But it does have 25 colors, and it does show the colors down the side, and the DMC number, the symbols, and the number on the thread card. So looking at the thread card, hang on, it's very nice that they put the product number here so you don't get it separated. Not a whole lot of color because it's not going to be very big. So I think 40 by 40 would be probably 30 by 30. So, and it's square. But yeah, just beautiful colors. I did like the Cardinal. That's what drew me to it. And a long time ago, 100 years ago, you know, when I was at home, back when life was simple, we had an antique coffee grinder that actually ground coffee. And it didn't look like this. Ours was just square with the little thing that you opened up, put the beans in, and you ground it up. Yeah. But it was square on the bottom here. So there was some other kind of a thing that opened up and you just poured the coffee grounds in. I have no idea where it came from. Or if my mother picked it up at an antique store, not a clue. I don't know. But it was always in my life when I was little. So let's open this up. Yeah. Because there's a lot of background. And unless you like stitching background, and this has enough colors that it's going to cover it. Do you know what I mean? As far as it'll show up, you know, in the background. It's not muted colors at all. Very bright, very vivid colors. So I think it'd be fine without the background, because once you wash all this out, it's going to be a white canvas. So all this that you have stitched in the middle will show up. Very nice, very big, easy to read key. So that's good. It does have some confettied areas, you know, where in the shading. But yeah, I think it's beautiful. I really do. Did I tell you product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square? And it's a squared canvas. So it does have a not surged at all. Salvage edge, that's the word I want, along this edge. So sometimes they give you more in the canvas, but this margin, they're probably close to 2 inches. Yeah, about 2 inches all the way around it. So the whole canvas is 41 centimeters. So it's a little bit over. Like I said, they gave you an extra centimeter for the salvage edge over there by 40. Exactly. And this is 29.5, so I was pretty close, which is a little over 11.5 by 30. The actual picture is. So it's a little bit deeper this way than it is that way. And let's see, 30, it's almost 12 by 11.5 by 12. So it's a little taller just because of that wheel on the thing. But yeah, and it doesn't look too difficult to stitch, you know, I mean, you'd have to watch your P's and Q's. But the symbols are very bright, very easy to read, very well printed. That's what I like about them. Let me do this. That way you can see it, so the light doesn't shine through it. So sorry. But yeah, nice big symbols. No back stitching. No French knots. Nothing. It's really good. I do like that. For the price, I think it's awesome. Okay, so let's get to the elephant in the room. Yeah, we got a diamond painting. And it is 50 by 60. I thought this was gorgeous. I am going to put a picture here. And that way you get to see what the whole thing looks like, because it won't fit in my screen. Now it's kind of, get that. I hate these plastic bags. I hate them because they're close to being non-usable again to get this back in there. But this had lots of beautiful, beautiful colors. It has 24 colors in it. It does have the product number and the size. So, comes with a boat, wax, and pin. Just set that aside. Let me turn it this way. And you could put this however you wanted, but it is kind of wrinkly. It would need to be ironed out. This is fixable. That frame, never. We're done. Yeah. Let's see how sticky it is. And I, of course, have to lay this out on my bed just to get it to... It lays pretty flat, but it just has a few wrinkles on the back that I would just iron out real lightly, and it would be fine. But there is lots of swirls and colors. I just thought graphically it was beautiful. Just beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love the pinks and the yellows and the bright blues and the bright greens and all the bright colors, because I like sparklies. Is the canvas? No, well, the canvas is a little bit sparkly. I wouldn't get too carried away. Let me see if I can measure this. It is 60 centimeters that way by 49.5 that way. Actual picture is 54.5 centimeters, which is about 21.5 by, coming across, about 44.5, which is 17.5. So it's not too small, not too big. Lots of areas. Lots of areas. It's not confetti riddled. You know, it takes me the longest to do all those big areas. It's like, oh my goodness. Yeah. But yeah, it'd need to be ironed out, but just beautiful, beautiful colors. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, because that's a lot of white right there in that middle part. Not. So I don't know. We'll see. You know, this one looks like a good one for a winter's day. You know, just settle in and do color and see color. It makes me happy when I see color in the winter, because it's so gray and cloudy, and it's not like that all the time in Colorado, honest. It's like, there are days. It has its days. We'll just say that, because not every day the sun comes out, you know. So, yeah. Let's take a look at these colors. And they are all in plastic baggies. So I'm just going to kind of flip it around. It does have the product number written on this bag, but all the drills are in separate little baggies, which is nice. Now, this is a big one. I know it's going to take a while to do. So I would actually put that, all these colors, you know, in here. You know, what I could fit, what I have extra, I put in a Ziploc bag. I write the product number and the name of whatever it is, Swirls or whatever, so I know when I'm looking. I can immediately tell. Other one, this time I just wrote the product number on this. I don't know what that goes to right offhand. But if it were a smaller diamond painting, I would just work out of these. You know, if I knew that it was going to take maybe a week to do, I would put them... I don't have my little thing. It's like a silverware tray, and they fit just lovely. But yeah, there is a lot of colors. But the blues and the purples and the pinks... Not purple. Yeah, well, there's kind of a blue violet there. Just beautiful colors. Yeah. So we will see. And very nicely printed, very easy to read symbols on the thing. Even in the dark parts, they've written the numbers in white so that they show up better and they're easier to put the drills on. So yeah, so that was cool. Now this was $12.88. So, and it's good size, you know, but I won't be able to get it in that frame. Not that I wouldn't begin with. That would probably fit a 40 by 50, maybe. Yeah. I'm just going to lay that up there. Now, OneDaySaving has diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number. They have diamond painting, paint by number, and cross stitch, all in custom, if you so desire. They have some beaded cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for diamond painting and cross stitch. And I'm not sure if they have tools for the paint by number. Sometimes some stores carry, you know, brushes, easels, frames, that kind of thing for your paint by number stuff. They do have free shipping on orders over $50. And I will have a discount code for 5% off of your order. I do not get any money. I am not affiliated with them. So I do not get money for every time you order. Just saying. So you don't have to worry about that. So thank you OneDaySaving for all these beautiful products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.